Build me this. What was it?
Tulip bouquet, Lego set.
Build this tulip bouquet Lego set with me for my girlfriend. Alright, so our sponsor for today. These are so good. There's so many pieces. There's like 100. What is that? Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good. Looks like a little pink egg. Snack break. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Snack break. Snack break acquired. Oh, I did it wrong. This is number 1. Do they have numbers on them? Hey-oh! Woo! I gotta do so many more of these. I'm missing a piece. What the heck? I'm missing a piece, like, actually. Am I shedding? What is this? Okay, right flat. This is it. I have one more flower. It's been a journey. Getting a little emotional. It's been a privilege for these Legos to have a builder like me. But yeah, this is the last flower. Dude, where is the pieces? Where'd they go? Dude! Yo, where'd it? Oh, there it is. My bad. This is the last one! Leave the couch. Where'd it go? Oh, my Lana.
Oh shoot, the finishing product.